Hey everyone, welcome to the weekly wrap for November 11th. This is Mike, and here's what was happening over the week. We actually had Trump winning the election, which was a very, very big shock to everybody, including Wall Street, and everybody's expecting a drop in the market, which was kind of interesting because overnight something weird happened and we bounced back hard. We actually logged one of the biggest bounces since 2008. Whether or not this bounce is going to continue still remains to be seen, but so far the markets are cheering that. Before I continue, I want to remind you guys that we do have the S&P 500 class tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern. That's 10 a.m. Pacific, and that's a 3-hour class for learning how to trade the S&P 500 index or futures. Either way, the techniques are the same. We'll be showing you setups and how we do this and all the notes we provided. And of course, the class will be recorded and available for viewing for all the students to watch. You can go onto our website at equitysense.com and go to deals and then go to class light, and you'll be able to get on this page and reserve your spot by clicking on buy now on this class. If you have any questions, just hit the contact button here and we'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Again, you got still about 24 hours left to sign up and get your place in the class. So with the stock markets going higher, commodities were getting crushed as well as bonds. And in addition, we had a lot of EM currencies also getting hit quite severely with the stronger dollar. Again, the implications are such that if the U.S. wants to be an export company or export country, it's not going to happen anytime soon. With the strengthening U.S. dollar, they have to weaken their currency or do something more radical or something different in the coming months to make it more export friendly. Okay, so the biggest question is, will this rally continue in the next several weeks? Nobody knows. We are at the highs. We would need a significant amount of optimism to kind of push us higher. But the outperformers of this week are banks, industrials, and defense contractors, which is kind of not a shock really at the end of the day. That is basically it for the week. Hope you guys made a pretty good amount of money this week, and wishing you guys a wonderful weekend. And keep our veterans in your thoughts and prayers. And hope to see you guys again next week. Mike out.